Doing something weird. Gonna convert my garage into a photo studio. I like this color. So this is a project that I've been meaning to do for a long time. Like trying to find studio and office space in the Dallas-Fort Worth area is pretty frustrating because everything that I've been trying to find has been overpriced. And so I figured, well, let's just save some money and convert this garage into a fully functional photo and video studio. The catch is that it's got to serve multiple purposes. Not only does it have to function for my line of work, but it still has to serve as storage for my personal stuff while fitting in 2 cars during tornado season, which is coming up. And so this project is going to take a long time. But I'm currently in phase 1 of this project. I've got my backdrops already installed. Got these from B&H. And I got 3 different colors too. I have white, yellow, and red, just because, I don't know, I just picked random colors. Also, I really like the yellow. The yellow was fun. But I just wanted to have some sort of background so that I can at least start shooting something. Now for this project, I am partnering with several brands, 2 of which are sponsoring this video, Ulanzi and Obsbot. We got some sweet lighting gear from Ulanzi. This is an inflatable LED light and this awesome tube light, RGB tube light, so that we can create some really cool lighting for product shots and thumbnails. We're gonna do a little lighting demo later in the video, but the other brand that's partnering with me for my studio is Obsbot. They got this cute little 4K web camera, and I kinda need one because this garage isn't the only thing that I'm upgrading, but I'm also upgrading my closet studio. More on them later. Let's light this thing up. Now, this is the Ulanzi AL60 inflatable LED light, and the reason why I went with a light like this is because of the small profile. I'm gonna rig it up there on the ceiling because, well, I don't have very high ceilings, and so I need a somewhat of a flat light source, and I figured the Ulanzi AL60 would be the perfect light to help me create this top-down lighting effect. Ulanzi also hooked me up with this tube light. This is the VL119, and it's a very compact RGB tube light that I'm gonna use to create some nice accent lighting for my product shots or thumbnail photos. Got some purple action going on. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Ulanzi, you're making some pretty cool stuff lately. Look at that. What a clever design. Now, this thing is powered with a USB-C cable, and so we're gonna try to power this bad boy up with a battery bank. No way, that's so cool. Now we're gonna take some product photos of this tripod, and it's a tripod that Ulanzi sent over. It's the Falcam Tree Root Travel Tripod. I love this thing, it's super lightweight. I'm gonna make a video about this because I love it so much. But right now, I just need to take some product photos of it and photos for a potential thumbnail. Now while I'm upgrading my garage into a studio, I'm also upgrading my closet studio as well. One of those upgrades is this cool little 4K webcam, the Obsbot Tiny 2 Lite, and essentially it's a really high quality webcam that has a lot of AI features that are really helpful. The image quality of the Obsbot Tiny 2 Lite is really good, and the reason why is because it's got a large 1/1.5 CMOS sensor. It's got dual native ISO for day and night, so really good if you have a low lit office like I do, or if you have an office that's really bright and has big windows. It doesn't matter the setting, your video is going to look good in either one of those locations. And also what's impressive is the latency of the video transmission. There's barely any lag. Now with the AI features, it can track you, it can also zoom in on you, it can focus on your hand if you're like presenting something or showing a product, and it's got voice controls if you want to operate the camera that way. So if you want to check it out, links will be down below, but really happy that this is going to be a nice upgrade to my indoor studio. But now let's go back to my garage studio. Oh, that's really cool. Bonus points for using this cart as a camera mount. Look at that. Look at that shot. Now this is my favorite thing in the studio so far. I'm using it as a video cart for Video Village, but it's actually a service utility cart that I got from Amazon for like 90 bucks. Like proper film production carts can cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars. There's no way I'm spending that kind of money, so I decided to get a service utility cart because it's got shelves, baby. I'm gonna put a monitor on here so that if I'm filming myself, I can have a big screen to look at my composition. On the second shelf over here is my DJI power station. I'm gonna use that to power up the monitor or my laptop or lights if I want to. And then on the bottom, I'm gonna have some crates or maybe an Apple box, just various accessories that I can pull from. Just basically any accessory that's gonna help me with the shoot in the studio. And the best part about this bad boy is that this can fold flatly so that you can take it in your car and have your own mobile Video Village video cart anywhere. This thing is awesome. All right, let's go turn on this light. I should probably close the garage. No way! Bro! That totally worked! Okay, Okay, so I think we got everything set up here for my first shoot with the Ulanzi AL60. I got my bounce card here, I got my Sony a7 IV right over there, I got my card over here. I'm gonna use the Sony Creators app to control my camera, and let's have some fun. Ooh, that's a cool shot. What if I did something like this? Oh, I like that a lot. That is a thumbnail, my gosh. Okay, we'll do something like this. Bro, these are cool. Woo! All right, let's try this guy now. Ooh, wee! Now the goal here is to make it subtle, and so I'm just gonna hold the tube light right over here, just off frame. Ooh, nice, I like that. Oh, this could be my new profile picture. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, that's a good idea. All right, here we go. So we got that. There you go. Serving up a thumbnail for you. Okay, that was cool. That was fun. At least I can start working now. I got a backdrop. Well, I got several backdrops. I got my video cards. I got my lights. I got my tube light. I got my webcam. Things are looking up. I now have a huge space to work. I love this. Still got so much to do. Like, I gotta paint the walls, the epoxy, all that's the storage. I've got some sweet desks from Autonomous that I'm so excited to share with you. I've got a new monitor from BenQ that I'm gonna put on my cart. Huge thanks to all the brands helping me convert my garage into a studio. I can't wait to show you more.